An emotional Emerald Garner reacting to the news the Justice Department will not pursue federal charges against NYPD officer Daniel Pantaleo. The statute of limitations runs out today, the 5-year anniversary of Eric Garner's death.
5 years ago, Eric Garner was choked to death. Today, the federal government choked Lady Justice.
U.S. Attorney Richard Donahue met with the Garner family Tuesday and offered his condolences. He says his team reviewed the evidence and it did not meet the high legal standard that Officer Pantaleo acted willfully.
The video shows that the officer's initial actions were in accordance with established police tactics and procedures, but that the situation deteriorated as it progressed.
It was back on July 17, 2014, when Eric Garner, selling loose cigarettes on Staten Island, died during an arrest. Officer Pantaleo was accused of causing Garner's death after he put him in a chokehold. Garner said 11 times, "I can't breathe." That later became a rallying cry.
Why we gotta wait for the next black man to die? To tell me going forward, this is what you're gonna do? The next time, this is what you're gonna do?
That's in reaction to Mayor Bill de Blasio's statement. He said, in part, New York City is not the same city it was 5 years ago. We are a different city, and we must act like a different city. Moving forward, we will not wait for the federal government to commence our own disciplinary proceedings. Activists are now vowing to continue protesting across the city.
This city has not paid a high enough price for the murder of Eric Garner.
The police officers union praising the Justice Department, saying, although Mr. Garner's death was an undeniable tragedy, police officer Pantaleo did not cause it. Several years ago, a state grand jury decided not to indict Officer Pantaleo. We are still waiting for a decision from an interdepartmental trial regarding whether or not Pantaleo will be fired from the NYPD. Activists are planning 11 days of outrage. There is expected to also be a protest outside Gracie Mansion tomorrow. We're live in Lower Manhattan. Allison Kagan, Pix 11 News.